This is one of the questions that people have been asking for the longest. Can a man love two women at the same time? And the answer to that question is no. Yeah, this is definitely not possible. And I've seen a lot of people going crazy over the fact that this can actually happen. It cannot. There's no way it's gonna happen. This is psychologically proven. This cannot happen. I don't know for women, but when it comes to men, this is not possible. And I'm gonna tell you why. The first reason is something very typical. Let's say that you are dating somebody who's married or somebody who's been in a long-term relationship with someone, okay? Once that person decided to step out, one of the main reasons they decide to step out is because there's been a void in their relationship. The current relationship, the relationship that was there before they ended up being with you, that's where the void been in that relationship, and they decided to go out and trying to fix, trying to get that extra thing that they are missing inside of their relationship. That's the first thing. The second thing is that sometimes the person can actually be done with the relationship. Yeah, there are probably financial reasons from divorcing the partner. At that point, it's not really something to worry about because love is not there anymore. There's a higher chance of them becoming your boyfriend or becoming your husband, even if they are already completely done with the relationship. But the mindset is quite simple. Don't ever think that a man can actually love two women at the same time. And you'll find men in situations where they actually have mistresses or they actually have side chick, whatever society decide to call them. The main reason they decide to go there is because they are looking for something that they cannot get home. And that thing most of the time is sexual desire. Sometimes the person they are married with do not function the way they used to anymore. So they're gonna go out there trying to patch things up. And once they're done, they go back to their families. And I know it's a mean thing to say, but that's the reality. It's gonna come back to you every time he needs that one thing. Is only getting something from you while he goes back to his family. And sometimes it's definitely possible to the point where the person find themselves being with you more than being in a relationship with the person they used to be with. Honestly, it's not really that. It's just that the person been trying to fix a void and happen to find themselves more with somebody else, and they're falling in love more with somebody else and realize that they did not want to stay in that relationship anymore. So to be completely clear with that question, no, a man cannot love two women at the same time. Anytime they decide to go out, it's to get that one thing that they've been missing. And the bigger the void, the bigger the opportunity for the next person, the bigger the possibilities for the next person. And sometimes things can get worse for the person they used to be with. And that's basically the best way to put it. You know what I mean? So yeah, if he has a wife, he has a girlfriend, he lives with them, just because it's with you doesn't automatically means that he loves you too. There's no love you too with it. It's just basically literally taking advantage of what you can offer for the time. And if you think that I'm joking, and if you think I'm lying, go ahead and ask him, who does he truly love, you or his wife? And whatever answer you get, that's yours to keep. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video to the fullest. If I've missed something in the process, feel free to let me know in the comments below. For those of you who've been with us from the get-go, guys, I really appreciate everything that you do to support the channel. Also, if this is your first time to this channel, feel free to look around. If you happen to find something that you like, do not forget to subscribe. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. Peace.